The coronavirus COVID 19 pandemic is an unprecedented once in a century impact. We must seize this opportunity to bring about effective innovations and solutions to halt the further spread. Various solutions have been developed, such as apps, robots, and cheaper ventilators, but limited innovations are present on evolving transportation systems. This airborne disease, transmitted by small particles through time and distance, leads to indiscriminate exposure in hospitals to relatives and healthcare workers during the transport of patients and also in enclosed spaces like lift and rooms. Breaking the spread of droplets is the crux in containment and control of COVID 19. Through the cumbersome long hours of protective equipment for healthcare workers, it is arduous for healthcare workers to carry out procedures such as ultrasound and aerosol generating procedures such as bag and mask ventilation. We, the Department of General Surgery at Sir JJ Group of Hospitals, Mumbai, in collaboration with Indomed Devices, indigenously developed this cost effective innovation. It was created in the Surgical Skill Lab for providing safe transport and preventing cross infection. The air sealed chamber of size 7 into 2.5 into 2 feet, made of aluminium frame with an acrylic body, is easily assembled and reusable. It is a three-tier system consisting of a stretcher, a base, and an airtight cabin. There is an O2 port at the head end for O2 support and a swivel connector for those requiring mechanical ventilation. Inlet and outlet ducts consist of a NanoProtect True HEPA filter, which is a high efficiency particulate absorbing filter. This traps air contaminants as small as 0.02 microns in a complex web of fibers. It helps in preventing the spread of airborne pathogens causing tuberculosis, meningitis, and Ebola. This function ensures the chamber has continued utility even after the end of this pandemic. The negative pressure chamber prevents the outward leakage of air or fumes from the chamber. The HEPA filter at the outlet filters out aerosols generated from the patient. Microorganisms are trapped in the filter while the rest of the cleaner air passes out. The unit is portable and can be easily assembled. Patient examination and procedures like bag and mask ventilation can be carried out through the ports with minimal contact. The chamber thus provides an effective barrier without compromising on patient care. Sonography probes can be inserted through a diaphragm, which in turn allows radiologists to carry out diagnostic and therapeutic interventions without the need of full PPEs. Additional gloved access ports can be used by assistants to help with the movement of unconscious or immobile patients. There's a drastic decrease in the exposure to hospital staff and passerbys during transportation between wards, operation theatres, and procedure rooms. With this indigenous invention, we hope to have taken a giant leap in improving patient care and safety. This system can be produced anywhere in India and can be effectively used in COVID hospitals. Further information regarding the product can be attained free of cost by contacting the following contact details. For technical queries and inquiries about procurement of assembled units, the following can be contacted.
Patient Transport Chamber Kavach is a cost-effective Make in India innovation. It operates on the principles of dual pressure mode. Negative pressure mode is for active infections like corona or COVID-19, tuberculosis, meningitis, hemorrhagic fever, and Ebola. Whereas positive pressure mode is suitable to transport immunocompromised patients. As the air is circulated through special filters, patient can stay in the chamber as long as necessary. Provides stress-free transport for healthcare workers and ambulance drivers, and they don't need to wear PPE kits, hence cost effective. We are also developing a version compatible with ambulance stretcher system. Kavach chamber is economical, robust, reusable and suitable for short and long distance transportation. We appreciate sincere efforts of Indomate Devices for logistic and technical support.
Of surgery, Sir J. J. Group of Hospital has created an excellent device for the COVID positive cases. The COVID protective device created by the Sir J. J. Group of Hospital will be widely used for the COVID patient all over the country. This device will be useful to protect the doctors and the healthcare workers when they are handling the COVID patients.
One of the greatest difficulties that we see while treating COVID patients is the transportation of the COVID patients in the different facilities of the hospital. This is the area where maximum cross infection can take place and all healthcare workers can get infected with this COVID. JJ Hospital, the surgical department, has come up with a very innovative and fantastic idea of preparing a COVID transport chamber so that the patient can be safely transported from one department to the other. I must congratulate the department for doing something which is very helpful for the healthcare workers. This chamber is basically with negative pressure and with a HEPA filter. And it is not only going to help during this COVID pandemic, but also post-COVID pandemic. I think it is going to help whenever there is need of transportation of patients who are highly infective. It is indeed a proud moment for JJ Surgical Department, and I congratulate them on behalf of the Maharashtra Medical Council and the Indian Medical Association for coming out with such a simple but very effective means of transportation of COVID patients. Thank you.